Breaking news. Explainer. Trump versus Comey and the Supreme Court's role. Former FBI Director James Comey has been indicted on charges of false statements and obstruction just days after President Donald Trump publicly demanded that the Department of Justice prosecute him and other political opponents. This direct link between Trump's demand and Comey's indictment has shattered decades of post-Nixon norms that discouraged presidents from interfering with prosecutorial decisions. To understand why this is happening, we look to a landmark 2024 Supreme Court ruling on presidential immunity. In that case, the court declared that investigation and prosecution of crimes is a quintessentially executive function, and that the president has exclusive authority and absolute discretion to decide which crimes are pursued. Chief Justice Roberts stressed that the Attorney General serves as the president's chief law enforcement officer, reinforcing the idea that the president can legally direct prosecutions as part of his constitutional duty. Yet the ruling was not unanimous. Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson warned in dissent that it would embolden presidents to do whatever they want, undermining democratic safeguards. Trump's actions appear to confirm that warning. On his social media platform, he urged DOJ to act now, framing prosecutions as revenge for his impeachments and indictments. Writing, "They impeached me twice and indicted me 5 times. Over nothing. Justice must be served now." Hours before the indictment, he said he could get involved directly but chose not to, while calling Comey a bad person. After the indictment, he celebrated, predicting there will be others. Comey responded in a video statement declaring he is innocent, expressing faith in the courts and saying, "My heart is broken for the Department of Justice. The stakes are immense. Federal judges will decide if the charges hold up, but the trial will also test whether presidentially directed prosecutions are legally valid or politically abusive. If upheld, the precedent could give presidents sweeping power to target opponents. If rejected, it may reestablish limits on executive influence. The takeaway, legally, Trump may have authority under the court's 2024 ruling, but politically and ethically, this moment raises profound risks about justice being used as a weapon of revenge and about the future balance between law and politics in American democracy.